Searching for the best carpet steam cleaner feels like falling into a trap. Every model looks the same, promises deep cleaning, kills odors, and comes with a dozen attachments. But here's the thing, most of them fail where it actually matters. So today, I'm cutting through the noise to show you the real winners. Product number 1, Bissell Little Green Mini. First up, the Bissell Little Green Mini. This little guy has been a cult favorite for years, and honestly, it's easy to see why. It's compact, lightweight at just 7 pounds and priced around $130, making it perfect for quick spot cleaning. If you want something simple that actually works on pet stains without breaking your back, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It uses a spray and suction system that lifts embedded dirt from carpets, upholstery, and even car seats. The included 4-tough stain tool gets into tight corners, and the Hydro and self-cleaning hose means you don't have to deal with smelly residue buildup. Plus, every purchase supports the Bissell Pet Foundation, so you're helping pets in need while cleaning up after yours. Now some people complained about the small tank size, only 8 Oz of formula capacity. Here's the thing though, that's actually by design. This isn't meant for whole room cleaning, it's for targeted messes. If you're dealing with a spilled coffee or dog accident, refilling it twice is a small price to pay for precision. Also, it doesn't heat water, so it relies on the cleaning solution, not steam, which might disappoint true steam purists. This is perfect for you if you live in a small space, have pets, or just need a reliable backup cleaner for emergencies. Skip this one if you're planning deep cleans on large carpets regularly. At $128, it's not the cheapest, but for focused, no-fuss cleaning, it delivers solid value. Product number 2, Bissell Little Green 1400B. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for bigger jobs. The Bissell Little Green 1400B, slightly heavier at 9.65 pounds. This model steps up with a massive 48 Oz clean water tank, meaning fewer refills and longer cleaning sessions. If you want America's one portable deep cleaner with real staying power, this is the one. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's scientifically proven to remove over 100 types of stains. Think red wine, mud, pet accidents, even dried food. The triple-action formula sprays, scrubs, and suctions in one motion, lifting grime from deep within fibers. Unlike paper towels that just push messes around, this actually pulls them out. And yes, it still supports the Bissell Pet Foundation, which is a nice bonus. Here's the thing though, that usually happens when users don't rinse the tool after each session. A quick flush with water fixes it instantly. Also, it doesn't come with a heater, so again, it's not a true steam cleaner, just a powerful extractor. But for the price, though currently listed as NA, it typically retails around $140. It's a beast for spot and upholstery cleaning. This is perfect for you if you've got kids, pets, or frequent spills and want a workhorse that won't quit mid-clean. Skip this one if you're looking for chemical-free steam cleaning or need to sanitize surfaces with heat. It's not the fanciest, but for raw cleaning power, it's hard to beat. Product number 3, Waitebird 1500W Multi-Surface Steamer. Now, if the last two didn't use actual steam, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Waitebird 1500W Multi-Surface Steam Cleaner. At $128.75, it's not just for carpets. It's a full home cleaning system that uses superheated vapor to sanitize everything from grout to car interiors. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It heats water to over 248 degrees F, hot enough to kill dust mites, bacteria, and allergens without any harsh chemicals. The 38 Oz tank gives you extended runtime, and the 21 included attachments mean you can clean windows, tiles, upholstery, and even barbecue grills with one machine. The child lock and heat indicator make it safe for families, and the shoulder strap helps with mobility. Now some people complained about the weight and bulk. It's not something you'll carry upstairs easily. Here's the thing though, it's designed for whole home use, not portability. If you're cleaning an entire house, the trade-off in convenience is worth it for the versatility. Also, the instruction manual is a bit confusing, but once you get the hang of it, it's smooth sailing. This is perfect for you if you're eco-conscious, have allergies, or want one tool to clean everything. Skip this one if you only need occasional carpet spot cleaning, it's overkill for that. For $129, it's a steal given how much it replaces. Product number 4, Hoover PowerDash Pet Advanced. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for whole room carpet cleaning, the Hoover PowerDash Pet Advanced. At 16.25 pounds, it's heavier, but it's an upright machine built for deep cleaning large areas quickly. If you want fast-drying, powerful suction with pet-specific features, this is the one. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It uses heat force technology to speed up drying time, so your carpets are dry in under an hour. The Power Spin brush roll agitates stains while lifting pet hair and odor. It comes with a sample of Hoover's cleaning solution, and pairing it with their pet formula really boosts performance on stubborn messes. It's also compact enough to store in small spaces despite its power. Now some people complained about the short hose and limited reach for stairs or upholstery. Here's the thing though, this is primarily a floor cleaner, not a multi-tool. If you need above floor cleaning, you'll want a separate handheld unit. Also, the tank capacity is modest, so refilling is needed for big jobs, but that's common in this price range. This is perfect for you if you have wall-to-wall carpet, pets, and want a no-nonsense upright cleaner that gets carpets dry fast. Skip this one if you need a portable or multi-surface machine. It's not flashy, but for pure carpet performance, it's a strong contender. Product number 5, LABIGO 10-in-1 Steam Mop. Finally, the LABIGO 10-in-1 Steam Mop, this one surprised me. At just $96.56, it heats up in 10 seconds, delivers 248 degrees F steam, and doubles as a handheld cleaner. If you want fast, chemical-free cleaning across floors, carpets, and even clothes, this is the most versatile pick on the list. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 350 ml tank gives you 15 minutes of runtime, and the 2-level steam control lets you go gentle on hardwood or blast grime on tile. The swivel head makes maneuvering easy, and the detachable handheld unit is perfect for spot cleaning sofas or car interiors. Plus, it auto shuts off when the tank is empty, great for safety. Now, some people complained about the steam output weakening over time. Here's the thing though, that usually happens if you add cleaning solutions to the tank, which the manual explicitly warns against. Stick to water only and it performs consistently. Also, the microfiber pads aren't the thickest, so you might want to buy extras. This is perfect for you if you want one affordable tool for nearly every surface in your home. Skip this one if you need heavy-duty carpet deep cleaning. It's better for maintenance than extraction. For under $100, it's an insane value. So which one should you pick? For quick pet stains, Bissell Little Green Mini. For bigger messes with more runtime, Bissell 1400B. Want chemical-free steam for everything? Go Waitbird. Need fast-drying carpet cleaning? Hoover PowerDash. And if you want the best all-around value under $100, LABIGO wins. No single cleaner does it all, but one of these is perfect for your home.